Hi, in this tutorial we will check how to unlock an operator, an agent cells that have this error on the screen. Okay, so when we receive this or one of the agents got this error, we enter with the administrator account here, okay, in the dashboard. It's very easy. We click on the name of the agent that is logged in, okay, he's logged in, and we just click this button here, emergency logout. We click yes, I'm sure, and now he can enter. So it's very easy. Of course we are working in check that this error does not happen, so this process is done automatically, but while we are in the process it's manually very easy. So we click here. Of course now we update and he's not logged in anymore, and it's possible to log in. He will not receive this error now.